everyone, and welcome back to Moonbelle Soaps. My name is Belle, and today I would like to talk to you about a soap that didn't go quite right. It wasn't so much the soap that didn't go right, it was the design. So it was supposed to be a simple soap, a simple design that my husband came up with. So basically it was going to be white on the bottom, pink, red, pink, white, all layers. And yeah, it didn't turn out that way. I'll show you a quick drawing. So pretty much so you get the idea that it's just straight layers, white, pink, red, pink, white. Simple. But no, it wasn't simple. I measured everything out, so they were all even the colorant. And when I went to cut this soap, let's just say I couldn't stop laughing. It looked like something that I shouldn't repeat on YouTube, but I'll let you watch the video and see at the end and let me know what you think this soap looks like. Maybe or maybe not, or you can hint at it, I don't know. But yeah, this is an interesting one. Let's go make some soap. So as usual, I am going to pour my lye solution into my oils, making sure I'm pouring down my stick blender so there is no splashback. You definitely don't want to get this on your skin, or otherwise it will burn. That's why I'm being very careful, because I'm not wearing any long sleeves here. Now I'm just blending to a thin trace so I can then add the colours and the layers. So I have my red mica powder mixed into some of my oils. It is Desire Mica from My Mica Obsession. And then for my pink part, I have 1 part red and 1 part titanium dioxide to lighten it up a bit and make it a bit more pink. And then for the rest of the batter, it will be white. So first I will measure out the soap batter into my red colorant here using these kitchen scales, and then I'll pour out an equal amount into the pink, just so we have even layers in the soap. By the time this video is released, it will be 6+ weeks, and the soap should be cured and available to buy on the website, as long as the soap has gone to plan and something very horrible didn't happen. Yeah, so hi future everyone else. This is Belle from the past speaking. To use red currant fragrance from Candle Supply. I'll just read you the notes. It has top notes of bergamot, grapefruit and orange zest, with middle notes of cranberry, black currant, and base notes of sandalwood, cardamom and vanilla veil. I'm not quite sure what vanilla veil is, so I'll have to look that one up. But it also says that it is infused with lemon, orange, lime, tangerine, and geranium essential oils. I can't say I'm a huge fan of this fragrance. Even though it has so much going on in it, it doesn't really smell that strong to me. It's a very mild smell and doesn't particularly smell like red currants to me. Not that I know what red currants smell like, but yeah, it isn't what I imagined, but I'll let you be the judge of this fragrance. So I'm going to pour in the first layer to this soap, which is the white. The fragrance has behaved pretty well, so it hasn't seized the batter or accelerated trace, and it's easy enough to pour in. And what I'm going to do is let this layer set up a little bit first and then pour on the next layer, the pink. And the reason for letting it set up a little bit is just so that the pink layer won't break through the white layer. And we are back to pour the pink layer. The white has set up a little bit, but I'm still using a spatula to break the fall of the pink just in case it tries to break through, because we want even layers. The pink is still fairly runny, so it's easy to pour on. And what I'll do next is let that set up and then we'll pour on our red. So now we are going to pour on the red layer, and it has stayed very fluid, so it's quite easy to pour on. Again, just using my spatula to break the fall and make sure it hasn't broken through the pink layer. The problem with layered soaps is it is very time consuming depending on how many layers you've got, because it is ideal if you wait for each layer to set up and then pour the next. But you don't want the layer that you're pouring to be too thick either, because otherwise you can't pour it. So it's a little bit of balance there. And this red is really nice. I'm liking the Desire mica. I will definitely use this one again. But yeah, so pretty much the same thing. I'll let this red layer set up, and then we'll put on another pink layer and then the white, and we'll see how we go. Have it, the red currant layered soap. We'll let this set up for 24 to 48 hours and then cut it into bars. So stick around for the cutting. So we are back 24 to 48 hours later to cut this red currant layered soap, and I can already tell that the layers are not straight. They are wonky. Just have a look. Look at that. What is that? They are the wonkiest layers I've ever seen. I think my mistake was banging down the soap. I usually do that to get air bubbles out, but I don't think I should have done that with the layered soap, because it has caused the layers to push into each other. And this is the first bar. I have to go show my husband this, show him what kind of design he created. Now that it's gone wrong, it's his design, not mine. This is crazy. So I showed my husband, but I don't think he thought it was as funny as I do. I don't know whether it's because I'm the one making the soap or because I have a dirty mind, but that looks hilarious to me. Please tell me what you think, because yeah, I can't really say what I think it looks like, but it just does not look like how I thought it would. So I'm a bit speechless, to be honest. I'll probably still show this video and put this soap up for sale, because obviously it is still soap. Even though the design went wrong, it is still going to clean you. The fragrance isn't that great either. I personally don't like it, but there might be people out there that enjoy this type of fragrance. But there you have it, my red currant soap. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell notification for notification of any future videos. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you on the next video. Bye everyone.